Diolch yn fawr. Welsh Labour has today suffered a catastrophic result. It ends a century of Labour winning in Wales, and the party will need to take a really hard look at itself and understand the depth of the challenge that we face. I've lost my seat here in Ceredigion-Penfro, and I will be stepping down as leader of Welsh Labour. I take responsibility for the Labour result in Wales. I'd like to thank the members of this constituency in the Labour Party, but members across the whole of Wales in the Labour Party for their tireless efforts over the past few months and years. This vote is not a reflection of your efforts. I'd like to thank the volunteers and all the extraordinary efforts of people up and down the country. Thank you for your trust and your kindness and your honesty over several years. Thank you also to my fellow candidates who've worked extremely hard. I'm very proud of what Welsh Labour has achieved over all the years we've led in the Senedd. But today, the pressures on public services are enormous. That change is clearly not coming fast enough. We're living in turbulent times. There are challenges in all directions. Many expect simple answers to very complex questions. But there are no simple answers, and the budgets are limited. The age of two-party dominance is dead. We need to recognise that multiple parties are now in contention across Wales. Social media has changed the way we do our politics. It sets the political narrative away from cameras and directly into people's homes and living rooms. The electoral system clearly caused some confusion, but many people heeded and heard that message: if you want to stop reform, then vote Plaid. The people of Wales rejected Welsh Labour. I would like to congratulate Plaid Cymru on their momentous success. And if they form the new government of Wales, I know that we will all want to see very stable, clear leadership that is serious and stable. We all want Wales to succeed. Reform has made substantial gains in Wales. We all understand the anger, but Wales is stronger when we stand together. We need to heed the anger, not feed the anger. Being First Minister of Wales has been the privilege of my life, and particularly so as the first woman to lead this nation.